Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Wondershop Birds is probably one of the most adorable and charming collections you can find in the market. These delightful plush birds, with their vibrant colors and soft textures, are perfect for both kids and adults. Whether you're looking for a cuddly companion, a decorative piece, or a unique gift, the Wondershop Birds offer a touch of whimsy and joy to any space. Get ready to fall in love with these feathered friends. Number 5. Wondershop Fabric Bird with Gray Feet and Red Sweater. This adorable bird is ready to bring some holiday cheer. It features soft fabric, perfect for snuggling, and is sure to be a delightful addition to any home. Notice the charming gray feet and the vibrant red sweater. The bird is dressed in a festive sweater with a wreath, making it perfect for the holiday season. Whether you're enjoying a cozy fika or simply relaxing, this bird is the perfect companion. It adds a touch of whimsy and warmth to any setting. Place it on a shelf, mantle, or anywhere that needs a touch of holiday spirit. It's a charming decoration that will bring smiles to everyone's faces. Don't miss out on this delightful Wondershop fabric bird. Get yours today and add a touch of festive fun to your home. What we like. This bird is all about holiday cheer with its festive red sweater and charming wreath. It's perfect if you're looking to add a touch of warmth and traditional holiday spirit to your home decor. If you like classic Christmas vibes, this one is a must-have. What people say. The birds are adorable and look great in my window. They are very pretty and look real. The birds are beautiful and the perfect size. Number 4. Wondershop Iskall Fabric Bird with Gray Feet and Black Hat. This adorable bird is a Wondershop creation. It features a charming design with gray feet and a stylish black hat. The bird's design is truly unique. The combination of gray feet and a black hat gives it a distinct look. It's perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your home. Place it on a shelf or desk to brighten up any room. Made with high-quality fabric, this bird is designed to last. Its soft texture makes it a delight to touch. Bring home this charming bird today. It's a delightful addition to any collection, sure to bring a smile to your face. What we like. This bird brings a touch of sophistication with its stylish black hat and elegant holly. It's ideal if you want a more refined and understated holiday decoration. If you are looking for a touch of elegance, this bird will be a perfect fit. What people say. Use for decoration wanting the whole series. Love it. So cute. Number 3. Wondershop Gale Bird, Plaid Scarf and Trapper Hat. Introducing the Wondershop Gale Bird. This adorable bird is part of the winter series. It's ready for the cold weather with its plaid scarf and trapper hat. This Gale bird comes dressed in a charming cloth costume. It's perfect for adding a touch of winter cheer to your home. Each bird features a metallic name tag on its leg, adding a special detail. It's a unique and collectible item. The bird is approximately 6 inches high, 5 inches wide, and 6 inches deep. It's the perfect size for display. Remember, this decorative item is for indoor use only. It's not a toy, so handle it with care. Please note that slight variations in the fabric may occur. Each bird has its own unique charm. What we like. This bird is all about winter coziness with its plaid scarf and trapper hat. It's perfect if you're looking to create a warm and inviting winter scene in your home. If you like a rustic and cozy winter look, you should consider this one. What people say. Too much money. I love the way the birds look. Number 2. Wondershop Fabric Bird, Red Series, Glee. This adorable bird is dressed in a festive red sweater, complete with jingle bells. It's a charming addition to any holiday decor, bringing a touch of cheer to your home. This limited edition bird features a metallic name tag on its leg, marking it as a special 2021 release. It's a collectible item that adds a unique touch to your seasonal decorations. Each package contains one fabric bird dressed in a cozy cloth costume. This delightful decoration is ready to spread holiday joy wherever you place it. The bird's dimensions are approximately 6 inches in height, 5 inches in width, and 6 inches in depth. It's the perfect size to display on a mantle, shelf, or tabletop. Remember, this fabric bird is designed for indoor decoration only. It is not intended as a toy, so please handle it with care to preserve its beauty. Please note that slight variations in the fabric may occur, adding to the unique charm of each individual bird. Each one is special. What we like. This bird is all about fun with its red sweater and jingle bells. It's perfect if you want to add a playful and joyful touch to your holiday decorations. If you like a cheerful and lively atmosphere, you should consider this one. What people say. The birds are beautiful and look so real. The birds are well made and the colors are vibrant. They are a nice size and look great in a variety of settings. Number 1. Wondershop Winter Series Fabric Bird Bundle of 4. Get ready for the winter season with these adorable fabric birds. This bundle includes 4 unique characters, each with their own charming personality. They're perfect for adding a touch of whimsy to your holiday decor. Dewey is one of the 4 birds in this series. Its soft, plush design makes it a cozy addition to any space. You'll love the details and the quality of this bird. Rhyme is another lovely bird in the set. It's crafted with care and designed to bring joy. Place it on a shelf or use it as a festive accent. Gale is a wonderful addition to the collection. The design is unique and eye-catching. It will bring a smile to your face during the cold winter months. Flurry completes this delightful set of birds. Each bird is made with high-quality materials. They are perfect for decorating your home or giving as gifts. Don't miss out on this charming bundle of 4 fabric birds. They are a must-have for the winter season. Get yours now and bring the magic of winter into your home. What we like. This bundle gives you a complete winter collection with 4 unique birds. It's ideal if you want to create a cohesive and comprehensive winter display. If you are looking for a complete set to decorate your home, this is the best choice. What people say. They are so cute and look great in my birdcage. The birds are very colorful and well made. They are the perfect size for my needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.